Got a little dust in the snow last night. Let's see if the old Ford can start right up. Get out of there. Yep. Oh, jeez, frozen. There we go. Haven't started this little guy since that -50 weather. There we go. Start her up. Turn that down. Oh, by the way, I'm chewing a sandwich, so that's what you might hear. There we go. Little plug's engaged. Let's see how she starts. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a big difference to this old guy. -50 to, I think it's only -2 right now. Easy peasy.